Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 3 different 10-member cyclic system is given. P is 10-alanine, Q is 10-alanine with oxygen bridge, R is just a phenolphthalein, R is naphthalene. Here you have to find the non-aromatic compound. Here all 3 compounds are interesting, PQR. If you look at the R, it's an naphthalene, straightforward, it is aromatic because plain R, conjugated and 4n plus 2. The real competition between P and Q. Here if you look at the P, it has steric hydrogen. To know that you have to redraw the structure nicely. The 10-alanine has steric hydrogen, so it is a non-planar, definitely non-aromatic compound here. On the contrary, oxygen substitution on the same. Oxygen substitution remove the hydrogen, so no steric effect is there. The system will be conjugated and planar. Here oxygen play the role of removing the steric effect. So our answer will be P. The concept you have to learn here is Huckel rule. Huckel rule, the main factor is planarity. Then the annular hydrogen create the steric effect when you have force to the ring system. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.